common tasks in using the Jupyter Notebook are to set the programming language, reset the kernel, and insert new cells. The first item of setting the programming language, we always want our notebook in a Python 3 state. Sometimes they can be in a different version of Python, such as Python 2, and we see right there that I have it in Python 2, and what I did to change that is the same thing we're going to do to get it into Python 3, which is go to the kernel tab, which is the operating system that runs this Jupyter Notebook, hit Change Kernel, and then choose Python 3. Another common issue with a Jupyter Notebook is you might write some code and it puts the notebook in an unstable state. Either the browser will become frozen or the code just is running too long and will not finish. So we reset the kernel. So again, we're going to go to the kernel menu up there, and we're going to either hit restart, or often you're going to hit restart and clear output. And what clear output will do is put all of the previously run code to a starting point so that there's no variables in memory. So I'm just going to go ahead and push restart there to show that, and then it asks for confirmation. Sometimes it will also ask you if you're ready to restart again after it has to force something to shut down. The last item we saw previously is inserting new cells. So to insert a new cell, we know that we can push both Shift and Enter at the same time. If it is the last cell, it will add a cell at the bottom. But if you're in a middle cell, if you hit Shift Enter, it just runs the cell and then moves to the next cell. And we may want to have a cell where I have X set up here and I have Z with a variable over there, and I go, oh, I forgot Y, and so I want to insert a cell. Well, there's the Insert menu, and I can insert a cell above or below. In this case, I'll do below, and then I can put my Y value in there, and I can insert a cell. So we saw we can change the programming language from the kernel tab with Change Kernel. We can also restart and clear all the output using the kernel tab, and we can insert new cells using the Insert menu and insert either above or below.